Good evening, students. In the last lecture, I have discussed with you about perfect squares and facts about perfect square numbers. Now we will do the worksheet number 1. Now in worksheet number 1, our first question is which of the following number are perfect squares? Okay. Now I have already told you how to check whether a number is a perfect square or not. You will do simply the prime factorization of number, and if you will get all the prime factor in pairs, then that will be a perfect square. Here in 11 is not a perfect square. 16, if you do the prime factorization of 16, its all prime factor will come in pairs. So 16 is a perfect square number. 16 is a perfect square number. Now come to next one, 32. 32 is not a perfect square. 36 is a perfect square. 50 is not a perfect square. 64 is a perfect square. 75 is not a perfect square. So if you want to check them, you can do their prime factorization, which I have already discussed with you. Now come to next question. Which of the following number are perfect square of even number? Okay, now you can easily check. 121 is odd, 225 is odd, 784 is even. So I have told you square of any even number is also a even. So this is the property that I have told you. So this is the perfect square number which is even. 841 is odd, so this cannot be square of any even number. 576 is even. Yes, this can be square of even, because square of even is always even. This is again odd, so this cannot be square of even number. Okay, now come to question number 3. Which of the following number are perfect square? So for this you have to check the number of 0 in the end. Okay, this property I have also told you. Okay, I have told you if in the last of any number there are odd number of zeros, then that number cannot be a perfect square. Here we have even number of zeros, so this can be a perfect square. In this there are 3 0 in the odd number of 0, so this cannot be a perfect square. In this there are 4 0, 1 2 3 4, so this can be a perfect square. Okay, now in this how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5. There are odd number of zeros, so this cannot be a perfect square. Now question number 4. By just observing the digits at one place, tell which of the following can be a perfect square. So for this I have also told you, if a number ends with 2 3 7 8, then that number can never be a perfect square. Now you can see in this number there is 2 in the end, so this cannot be a perfect square. In this number there is 7, this cannot be a perfect square. So if a number has 2 3 7 8 in their end, so those number cannot be perfect square. Now these two number can be perfect square. For this we have to check these two number by doing its prime factorization. If all the prime factor of this comes in pair, then it will be a perfect square, otherwise it will not be. Okay, similarly for 1024 we will do its prime factorization and check whether all the prime factors come in pair or not. If come in pair, then this will be a perfect square, otherwise not. But for these two number there is no need to do the prime factorization, because it is understood. I have told you if the last digit of any number is 2 or 3 or 7 or 8, here is 7, so these two number can never be perfect square. Now question number 5. How many non-square number lie between the following pair of numbers? Before doing this question, I will make you understand about some concept. Suppose I am taking example 1 square and and 2 square. 1 square means 1 and 2 square means 4. So these are the two perfect square numbers. Now, how many non-square numbers are there between 1 and 4? Non-square means which are not perfect square. So between 1 and 4 there are number 2, 3, 4. So these two numbers are not perfect square between 1 and 4. Similarly, if I take an example, 2 square and 3 square. Okay, 2 square means 4 and 3 square means 9. So these are two consecutive perfect square number. So how many non-square numbers are there between 4 and 9? Let us check. 4, after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So there are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers which are not perfect square or non-square number, which lies between two consecutive perfect square number. 4 is 2 square and 9 is 3 square. This is 2 square and this is 3 square. So these are two consecutive perfect square number, and between these two consecutive perfect square number there are 1, 2, 3, 4 non-square number, or there are 4 number which are not perfect square. Now I am taking one more example. So 3 square and 4 square. 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. So how many non-square number are there between 9 and 16? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 numbers which are not perfect square. There are 6. Okay. Now I am telling you the trick. What you have to do? If you want to find out the non-square number between any two consecutive perfect square number, what you have to do? See in the first example. Between 1 and square and 2 square, there are 2 number which are not perfect square. So what you have to do? You simply 1 and 4 means 1 square and 2 square. Just take the double of this one, or you can say take the twice of this, or take the or you can say multiply this first number with 2. 2 1 ja 2. Now in second one you can see 2 square and 3 square. Okay. So how many non-square numbers are there between 2 square and 3 square? Just take the double of 2. 2 2 ja 4. So there will be 4 non-square number between 4 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. If there are 3 square and 4 square. 3 square means 9. 4 square minus 16. So take the twice of this first number. Take the twice of first natural number. What is the twice of 3? 3 2 ja 6. So there will be 6 non-square number between 9 and 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now come to the question. How many non-square number lie between following pair of number? Now you can see 7 square and 8 square. So just take the twice of 7. 7 2 ja 14. There will be 14 non-square number between 7 and square and 8 square. Now come to the next one. 10 square and 11 square. What is the twice of 10? 10 2 ja 20. There will be 20 non-square number between 10 square and 11 square. Similarly, 40 square and 41 square. What is the twice of 40? 42 ja 80. There will be 80 non-square number between 40 and 41. Okay, now 80 square and 81 square. 82 ja 160. 101 2 ja 202. 205 2 ja 410. So this is how you can calculate the non-square number between any two consecutive perfect square number. But simply you have to remember, just double the first number. Okay, first number. Take the twice of first number. Take the twice of first number. Only 40, 40, 10, 7, 80, 101, 205. Take the twice of these numbers. Now student, in the next lecture, I will discuss the remaining questions of this worksheet. So do these questions in your notebook. Thank you very much.